So today we have a question from rotational motion and it comes in JEE Main June 22. Yes. So the question says a thin circular ring of mass capital M and radius capital R is rotating with a constant angular velocity 2 radian per second in a horizontal plane about an axis vertical to the plane and passing through the center of mass of the ring. If the two objects each of mass small m be attached gently to the opposite ends of a diameter of the ring will then rotate with an angular velocity given by which of these expressions? Yes, so we have to find the angular velocity of the system. Yes, the system is given. So how to find it? Let's solve this question on the board. So let's solve it. So first of all, you have to understand that the question is asking which concept. Yes, the question is based on which concept. So if you read the question carefully, you have found that there is a word written in the question that is slowly, or you can say क्या word था, word is gently. Yes, gently, slowly. So this means that there is no external torque applied to the system when it changes from case 1 to case 2. What is the case 1? Case 1 is that the ring, see carefully, the circular ring is rotating with the angular velocity 2 radian per second, that is omega naught. Omega naught is 2 radian per second. Yes, 2 radian per second. It is rotating about the axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the plane. वो बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम चीज़ है. ठीक, मास कैपिटल M है एंड रेडियस कैपिटल R है. ठीक है, दिस इज द केस 1. now what happens in the case 2 is that, let's say this is the diameter not passing through the center. I will draw it again, थोड़ा अच्छा सा बनाएंगे. yes, so मैं इतना ही बना सकता हूँ. so this is the diameter, let's say, and this is the center. yes, this is the center. now what happened in the question is that in the diameter, the joining ends of the diameter, yes, to the circumference, we attached gently two masses, yes, of small m, here also small m. So what happens now? Two more masses are also attached to this ring. Now what is the angular velocity? New angular velocity, you can say omega. This is omega naught, this is omega. So we have to find what is the value of this omega. Yes, what is the value of this omega? So let's find it out. So as I have told you earlier that gently words, gently like words, gently ho, slowly ho, these words indicate, these words indicate that there is no external torque applied to the system during this transition. Yes, so if there is no external torque, you can say that, you can say that L initial is equals to L final. What is L? L is the angular momentum. This is the angular momentum conservation. Yes. So let's find the initial angular momentum and final angular momentum and equate both of them. You get the answer. So what is the initial angular momentum? You can write it as Li equals to Lf. So I1 omega 1 is equals to I2 omega 2. Yes, so omega 1 is omega naught, omega 2 is omega. So we have to find omega. So let's write it as I1. What is I1? I1 is also only for the ring. So what is the moment of inertia of the ring? And the axis of rotation is perpendicular to the center of mass. Yes, so that is mr square by mr square only mr square it is. So mr square. Omega 1 is omega naught. You can write it as omega naught. Now I2. What is I2 now? So I2 is basically एम आर स्क्वायर तो एम आर स्क्वायर रहेगा ही, एम आर स्क्वायर इज एज इट इज, बट टू मोर masses are added, two more masses are added, and we know that moment of inertia is like a scalar quantity, so we only add the moment of inertias. Yes, so this becomes small m r square plus small m r square, so 2m r square. Yes, and whole multiply with omega 2, that is omega. Yes, I hope you understand this equation. There is no confusion in the equation. So let's write it down. We can write it down as this. See, r square cancels r square here also, here also. So we are left with omega naught is 2 mentioned in the question. So 2m is equals to m plus 2 times small m whole omega. Yes, so we have to find omega. Omega नॉट की वैल्यू है 2, ठीक है, ध्यान रखना, क्वेश्चन में दे रखी है. सो व्हाट इज़ ओमेगा नाउ? वेरी वेरी सिंपल, मतलब इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी नहीं था, सिर्फ आपको दिमाग लगाना था कि कौन सा प्रिंसिपल यूज होगा. यस, फिजिक्स इज ऑल अबाउट प्रिंसिपल्स, नॉट मैथमेटिक्स. प्लीज लिसन टू इट केयरफुली. फिजिक्स इज ऑल अबाउट प्रिंसिपल. इफ़ यू नो द प्रिंसिपल, द आंसर इज दिस. बस इतना आंसर है. क्वेश्चन कितना बड़ा था, जरा ध्यान से देखो. देखो कितना बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, कितना डरावना सा लग रहा है. आंसर्स भी कुछ देखो कैसे कैसे लग रहे हैं. पहली बार अगर कोई देखे तो सोचेगा कि ये तो आएगा ही नहीं, लेकिन कितना सिंपल सा है. सिर्फ यू हैव टू अप्लाई द कंसेप्ट. यस, सो ओमेगा बिकम्स इक्वल टू 2m divided by capital M plus 2 small. This is omega. If in this question it is mentioned that omega naught is omega naught, if the case is this, so the answer become omega m upon m plus 2, sorry m plus omega, और ये क्या था, स्मॉल m. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे फिर ओमेगा ही आ जाता. समझ रहे हो ना बात को, ये तो वेरिएबल होता ना फिर, बट अभी उन्होंने वैल्यू दे रखी है, तो ऐसा आंसर है. ठीक है, सो कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है इसमें अगर मैं ध्यान से देखूँ, देन ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज़ करेक्ट. सो दैट्स द वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन फॉर जेई लेवल परस्पेक्टिव. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन था. सो आप ऐसे क्वेश्चंस की ज़रूर प्रैक्टिस कीजिए जिसमें एंगुलर मोमेंटम कंजर्वेशन के बेसिस पर आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछें. ठीक है, सो आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच.